No matter what you create, long video or short ones, here are 15 CapCut tricks for you. Keyboard shortcuts. The first things that will help you to edit faster is using the keyboard and hotkeys. For example, delete an unnecessary piece of video or split it in half. Here are those values. How to quick increase or decrease the timeline. Smooth camera movements. In CapCut, you can do smooth zoom in using keyframes. First, let's look at how to use keyframes to add motion left to right. Zoom in. Place it in the far left position. Set a keyframe and move to the end of the video where you drag the video to the far right position. Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Smooth zoom. Set a keyframe and then zoom in. Approximately 150%. It's like a general moving. Select Show Variable Speed Animation. You see 2 keyframes, and now you can change the motion value. Tracking. Add a default text block, set it to the duration of the video and the following. Tracking, motion tracking, and drag the square onto the object. What I do next is press Start. Now it's good time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Reframe for short form. Select the video, go to the video, basic. Scroll down, select After Reframe, and the aspect ratio for this video is 60:9, but we are going to change it to 9:16. This is perfect for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. See, it's find and tracks. It reduces the work a lot of your edit for multiple platforms and use different video formats. Background remover. Both the free and pro version have several options for remover backgrounds. Knowing and using this feature is a pleasure. It will definitely make your life easier. The free version is called Customer Remover. You can use a regular brush and mark the area that will remain, as well as after background removal. You can add part of the object using the custom removal. Smart brush. It should be remembered that the simpler the background, the easier it is to remove, especially if you are using the free version of the program. Product pop-up effects. Now, this is a very popular trend. Let's take a look at everything in order. I downloaded several pictures in PNG format. I add them to the project and overlay them on my video. On each picture, I remove the background. It's easy to do because the background is not complicated. And I reduce the size. We can also add a sound effect. We are looking for pop. Now I'm growing them one by one. Text behind subject. We create a copy of the video, remove the background and write the text, which we place between two layers. It's simple, but here's what we can do. Add a movement. We go to the text layer in the base, keyframe at the beginning, which is scale value of 100, and a little further also to 2 keyframes. Now we change the value 100, 130, and 90. Next, create compound clip and transfer to the top layer. I find the moment where the text decrease and divide it. Transfer it to the layer below. Now part of the text is in front of me and the second part is behind me. To make a smoother transition, extend the first layer to a couple of frames, then go to animation, out, fade out. YouTube thumbnail in CapCut. And now you can create a thumbnail in CapCut free. Click on cover, new, and here you see many options. Also, you can use elements from your video and also change elements, photo or text. When you export your video, this picture will be as the first frame. Title. Create a title on a blue-red background. We need a video, go to Effects and write a blur. Select and add to the timeline. To make the transition from your video interesting, go to the settings at the beginning. Add a keyframe and set the value to 0. Put a second keyframe and change the blur as we need. Now go to text templates and select one of the options. Laptop screen effect. We create a copy of the video, remove the background, and I previously recorded a screen. Put it between my videos. It looks a little too much. I think we will add an effect. Let's go to the video, basic, blend, and I'm gonna change to darken. Color isolation. Let's go to the settings, HSL, and remove the saturation of all colors, leaving only the one I want to have. Video in text effect. For this effect, you need 3 elements. The first is a black background, then the text and your video. Let's go to the video, basic, blend, and I'm gonna change to darken.
Your assistant on camera.
And now, something very interesting. We create an assistant. For example, I don't really like talking to the camera. We write the text and you just Choose an artificial intelligence avatar.
Hey, good to see you.
You can scroll and see what's there and choose the most suitable one. Add next, choose a voice and generate.
Want more editing tutorials?
Want more editing tutorials like this?
Wait a little and it's done.
Want more editing tutorials like this?
I'm removing the text. There's a person on a black
Button.
background. Now I'll add video and wow!
Want more editing tutorials like this? Drop a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. Let's level up your mobile editing game together.
Camera tracking. Select the video, go to the main settings and select camera tracking. There are several options here. Choose face, start. Now you see the blurred background. I can choose the function fix to canvas. Caption made easy. Select the text and go to the auto caption generate. Then apply a caption templates and adjust size under basic settings for trending TikTok short style. Select text templates. Scroll down and you'll see lots of options. Select one and that's it. If you want to change the size, it should be applied to all main captions. Go to basic settings and change the size.
They say dreams are far away, but up here, it feels like I'm already living one.